Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we're talking about this TRD Pro again. We posted up a video yesterday on it. A couple other things. People asked how tall it was in the front, stock. People asked on how tall it was to the top of the antenna, stock. We had talked about taking this truck and trying to keep it under that 79 inches, which we know now that it's not going to happen, because this truck, there's even literature, you can find it in Toyota's specification book for just length, width, overall height, ground clearance, all that stuff. So this truck actually is 78 inches from the top of the antenna, and we did measure it to confirm that, and that's what it says. Toyota says specification wise, but we did confirm it is exactly 78. I was standing in the bed. Did that probably lower a quarter inch? I don't know, but that's what it was to the top of the antenna. And we took the measurement through the bedside down here, all the way to the ground. The truck in the rear here is 24 inches, and up in the front, it is 23 and a quarter. So it is have a little bit of a dip in the front, which is not that much on the truck. Some of the things, I turned the wheel just so we could share this with you. This has red axles in it, and then it also has a big red sway bar. I'm gonna take a set of dial calipers tomorrow and just do some measurements to see. I'm sure the axles are larger in this truck and possibly the sway bar as well. And it's not just a powder coated sway bar, but we're gonna go ahead and verify that tomorrow with a set of dial calipers, just so we know, and then you guys know that some of the differences in this truck. And then we are gonna put now, instead of, because we know that now it's not gonna fit in the garage with those 35s in it and our lift in it, we are now going to go ahead and put 37s on this truck. We do know we're going to have to remove the mud flap. This one does not. The Pros do not have the power air dam in the front. They do have full liner from the front here all the way down and back of the bumper here. So we actually don't even remove that, and we actually just slide it forward a little bit and repin it. Back in the back corner, the felt in the back on the liner, we pin that back just like we have on all the other trucks. So we are going to get started, and we'll share this thing with you over the time with some of the things we're doing to it and get it dialed in, and then you guys can let us know what you think on it. We are going to run the factory wheels on this. So we have had a lot of guys ask, hey, can you run 37s on this truck? We're gonna let you know. And we're gonna let you know what it takes to run these TRD Pro wheels with the set of 37s on it. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk to you soon.